Do you have a sensitive skin? Are you wondering what you can use to wash your face without altering your natural complexion, without adding harsh chemicals to your face, without hurting your face? You are in the right place. This video is just first time coming across this channel. I am Joy. On this channel, I do food recipes, fitness, lifestyle. I'm going to be showing you a facial wash and scrub that you can use for your face even if you have a sensitive skin. Don't go away. Ensure to watch every part of this video to the end and you will be glad you did. So today I've come to show you this. This is simple facial wash and scrub. Now, why do you need this? You need this because this is free from artificial fragrance, it is free from artificial color, it is free from soap, and it is very, very good, or let me say, if not perfect, for those with very sensitive skin. So if you are looking for a facial wash that you can use for your face without altering the natural pH of your face, without changing the complexion of your face, then you should go for this simple, refreshing facial wash. And one thing about this facial wash is that it is vegan free, vegan and cruelty free, so there is no animal testing for it, and also it is dermatologically tested. Now, what does it contain? It contains purified water, it contains vitamin B5 and vitamins E, and it is 100% soap free. When you apply it on your hand, it looks like a gel. Okay, it looks like a gel, and it deeply cleanses and invigorates your skin. It exfoliates the skin. It is very, very perfect because there is no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals, and it will not upset your skin. Now, for those who have dry skin, you can use it every day. Oily skin, you can use it. Sensitive skin, you can use it. This facial wash does not contain any harsh chemicals, like I said. You can use it. It is suitable for everyday use. To use it, just simply open it, just pour it, press it in your palm, and then make sure you have already wet your face, and then just rub it on your face in a circular motion. Okay, and you can leave it for a few minutes while you wash the other parts of your body, and then when you're through, just rinse it off. It's as simple as that, and it is safe for everyday use. Let me quickly talk about the facial scrub. This is a scrub. The scrub is made from rice granules, and it also contains vitamin B5 and vitamin E. Just like the wash, it is free from harsh chemicals, it is free from color, it is free from soap, it's free from perfume. There's no perfume on it. It's just kind of perfect. This is how the color is. There's the color. So to use it, you just wet your face with warm water and then press it into your palm, and then just scrub in a circular motion, avoiding the eye area. You can leave it for, let's say, a minute or two, and then you rinse it. Now, for those with dry skin, you can try it once a week. Those with oily skin, you can go for twice a week. And then for sensitive skin, start with once a week, and then you can now go for twice a week while checking how your skin is going, observing your skin. Okay, it is perfect for all skin for vegans. There is no animal testing in this. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be giving it a try. Now, for the facial wash, there are different types of the facial wash. They also have the ones that contains vitamin C, just like the picture you can see on the screen. So for those that want to use the simple facial wash that will make their face to glow, they can go for these ones on the screen. But for sensitive skin, this is a yes. I recommend this for those with sensitive skin that want to give it a try. Even if you do not have a sensitive skin, you want something that you just use for on your face without altering your complexion. You want your complexion, you want to retain your complexion, then you should go for in the comment section if you will be giving this a try. And don't forget to like, share, leave comments below in the comment section. Let me know which of them you will prefer. Let me know which one you'll be starting with. And of course, subscribe to this channel so that you can get more lifestyle tips like this that will give you a good looking skin. Until next time when I come your way again, I remain Joy. Bye for now.